nummer 7 flank. En is die nummer 10, nummer 13, wat aangaan in die ref sê nee skort. Kom ons wag, Ika. Luke Geertse, experience man. Man moet 'n baie experience, 3 jaar first team vir Wynberg. Manne wat weer vorentoe gaan, is weer van is die hakker, Nemo. Wynberg wat nou moet punte moet opstaan. Brilliant 3 wat die manner gaan druk. En dan die afrigter of die lynritter sê nou as nog nie. En die 3 is die 3 toegeken. As die nommer 11.
But the ref then said, no, try was awarded.
En as Luke Geertse wat vorentoe kom, as hy oorreis, hy so sagte skoppie. Dit lyk of hy win, maar dis wat die groot rol wat die wind speel.
Behind the scenes, working with his back and forwards. Hubert finds Burden, breaks away Kutsia, Stefan, now to Jacobs, Van Bouillon, out to Swartz, but gets tackled. No, he's still on his feet. Still JC Swartz. Now Stefan finds Hubert, who can make some meters. Now Uzi Blankenberg, Van Bouillon, Daniel Mongi, he gives it to Brink, to Rode, it's still Rode, inside to Brink, Carlo Brink, Rolton Rode, Jubilee. Excellent space was found. Van Bouillon will look to add the 2. Good strike. 7-all with about 12 minutes to go. Stellenberg really now coming to their own. Burden cleans out. Slow ball now. Stefan gives it to Robert Hewitt. Tackle was made. Stellenberg going to side at this moment. Seth Kutsia goes back to Jacobs. Now Daniel Mongi, Jaden Young gives it out to Rolton Rode. Slow patience been building up here by Stellenberg. Van Deventer. Wynberg guy over the ball. Referee says holding on. Massive win for Wynberg. I think this will be a win for Stellenberg if they only concede the 3 points.
Brilliant skop af van die loskakel. As jy nie wil vinnig ry nie, hy gaan daar voor jou in baie gou. En as Luke Geertse wat hy bal weer op hier in die Stellenberg in Ethan van Biljon. Groot loskakel. Binne buite sien jou later. Hy gaan sommer boor jou.
Good carry by Van Bouillon. Very trusted at the back as well. Ref says tackle on rolling away. Now Daniel Stefan decides to go quick, but referee says penalty advantage. Wynberg not 10 meters. Now Stellenberg can gamble. Gives it out to Burden. Gives it to Uzi Blankenberg. Now Van Bouillon. Pass to Daniel Mongi. Rode with some space once again. Rolton Rode! Over he goes in the corner. 4.5 minutes to go. You'll surely find Daniel Mongi to set it up first. He goes to the inside center. Strong carry, but excellent defense. Now it will probably go to Van Bouillon. No, it goes to Hewitt. He decides to carry. Stellenberg will need to exit.
Van Bouillon
with a little grubber kick forward. Knock on. That could have gone anyway.
Amit kan beter bolle kry en is Stellenberg wat die bal het.
Now Stefan gives it to Jacobs. Gives it out to Van Bouillon. He's got some space. Still Van Bouillon. He finds Emile Kutsia. Still Emile Kutsia. He carries. He's still Emile Kutsia. Unbelievable try by Stellenberg. The J Brigade is just turning it on. It's something that they've worked on in the last couple of weeks, really, is putting Liam Jacobs at 10. Van Bouillon adds the extras from the sideline. Ruda was excellent in the first half. Now, once again, Burden, strong carry by the lock forward. Really putting up his hand this year. Uzi Blankenberg gets tackled backwards. Excellent defense by Wynberg. Quick ball now. Stefan. Van Bouillon onto the foot. Just pushes them deep into their own 22. That is what Van Bouillon is going to do this entire second half, Rudy.
En dit is wat ons gaan sien. Kom ons kyk, so 'n fop aangee. Kom ons kyk, hy man pas. Daar's 'n miskommunikasie tussen Wynberg en die manne besluit sommer.
Now Stefan feeds the line. Picked up by Robert Hewitt. He decides to carry, but held up just short of the line. Now Stefan gives it to Burden. scored multiple tries exactly from that same set phase. Stefan, wayward pass, Van Bouillon, just short. Stefan, Burden, over! Johan Burden, we have seen this multiple times.
Vir WP, man wat daar groot aanslae gewees word, man in 2 meter lang.
Just a sub coming on here, Morne Pretorius. He actually played in the third side fixture. Came on the second team, now comes on to the first team. Jaden Young carries. Stellenberg asking all the questions now. Does Weinberg have the answers? Burden, still Burden. They're 3 meters out. Stefan, Van Bouillon, Daniel Mongi carries strong. 2 meters out. Quick ball required now. Stefan finds Van Deventer. Stefan once again. Burden over. You cannot stop Johan Burden coming on the charge.
Skrimma wat nog ja opgedaag het. Daar kom iemand.
Picked up by Matthew van Wyk. Now Uzi Blankenberg around the corner. Slow ball on the side of Stellenberg. John Roo Wessels gives it now to Van Bouillon. He finds Swartz. He finds Jacobs. Out to Morne Pretorius. He gets tackled but stays in the field. Liam Jacobs is down. Now Logan Trudeau. Just come onto the park. John Roo Wessels finds Tian Vermeulen. Still Stellenberg. John Roo Wessels. Over he goes. That will be the final nail in this coffin, Rudy. Van Bouillon steps forward. Good strike. He curls it back. Adds the extras. Finds Vermeulen. Stellenberg still coming around the corners. Ref says tackler needs to release. Van Bouillon out to Pretorius with some space. Can't hold on to the ball.
Ongelukkig, dat is die einde van die wedstrijd, meneer. Vir Bishops en Stellenberg wat plaas toe gaan. En dan kry hulle nog 'n penalty. Kom ons kyk wat Stellenberg nou gaan doen. En ek dink is 'n brilliant fixes gewees. Wynberg kan very proud wees op hulle self. Hulle het dit gebring na Stellenberg toe. Stellenberg wat met 'n rolmaal beweging begin.
Taken in, but the ref says they defended them all. Referee blows his end whistle. 38 points to 10. The Jade Brigade, #1 team in the country, just shows their caliber in this fixture.